So excited today to be here at Canberra College.
We're at Hopwood Hall,
Middlesbrough College today.
at Trafford College, Tameside College. Noel Goulding, one of the judges from Hopwood Hall. What is it you're looking forward to seeing today?
I'm looking for enthusiasm, looking for the right attitude, looking for a great presence in the kitchen, confidence, a willingness to work with some great ingredients and produce some fantastic dishes.
I'm looking for inspiration, a really smart cooking.
Lots of creativity, lots of flavour.
Really clean flavours which represent that style of cuisine.
Be able to interpret what their understanding of the recipes are.